Hey, what's going on, guys? Super Swimmer here, and welcome to a game called 21 Rooms. Now, this is supposed to be a horror game that I found on Game Jolts. I was just looking through for some horror games. I got a really good rush of adrenaline from Benny and the Ink Machine, so I feel like I need to scar myself some more with this. Hopefully, it's just as scary as I hope it'll be. It looks like it. The realistic, aspect of this is what makes this scary to me, because it's realistic. So I'm gonna pull up my man pants, which in this case I have none, because I'm probably gonna be screaming like a little girl. So let's just get into this thing. Choose difficulty. Survive under normal circumstances with a serial killer after you, or challenge. Survive longer with less items to help you. We'll just go normal. Just for this, I'm gonna go normal. That's fine. Okay. Click dialogue to continue. The door is locked behind you. Well, that's just great. You're in a hotel lobby. There is an elevator near the entrance and a stairwell across the lobby on the opposite side. Okay, so just by looking at this, let's see, instructions. Goal: survive until day 21. Items: restores hunger. What is that? Cheese balls. Knife gives you more time to escape and unlocks a specific room. Okay, how to survive. Escape from the killer by going into rooms. Hunger determines how much time you have to escape from the killer. Rest in rooms to progress time. Using the stairs and resetting will make you hungry. Okay, keep your hunger meter full by eating food hidden in rooms and the restaurant. Okay, so now that we know what to do, let's see. A restaurant is built into the side of the lobby, which we just read the instructions. A note hangs from a length of string attached to a rafter in the entryway. Alright. It says, "Welcome to my hotel. I don't know who you are, and you certainly have no idea who I am." Well, no duh. You are here because you have agreed to play my game. Oh god, we're in Saw. The rules are simple. 1. You are safe inside a hotel room if the door is closed. 2. If you are outside a room, you are fair game. Well, that's just great. Survive until day 21 and you get to leave with a substantial reward. I hope it's money. We remain anonymous to one another. Okay? I hope you're ready. The game starts now. Okay. So, let's see. Elevator. And does this matter? Does this take up time? What was that? Was that just me? I think that was just me. So we need to stock up on food. So let's go to the restaurant. Oh, this looks run down. Okay, let's search it. Oh, we got some food. Okay, so let's return to lobby then. Let's go. We are never gonna go to the base. Okay, so let's try entrance. The door. Oh, that's all that does. Okay. Basement door, elevator. Let's try the stairwell. Oh god. This just looks... Okay, let's listen. If you hear the echo of footsteps. Oh, okay. Let's not do that then. Instead, let's try the elevator. Okay, you call the elevator. Wait, what is that? What is that? Oh, what? It's empty. Oh. Seriously, I have my volume up so loud. I need to not. I can just not with this. Okay, so I turned my volume down because that was loud in itself. Let's enter it. Let's try the first floor. What's going on? What? Like, I hate when there's that loading screen. It gets just, how do I, oh. Was I supposed to do that? I don't know if I was supposed to do that. Door lines the hall. Okay, so I don't think we can, but let's try room 1. Oh. Let's search first. Oh, we got a knife. Listen at door rest. There's a note. Day 5. Holy hell, this is way more than I expected. For any other idiot reading this, who thought they would give this a try, I guess it's too late to tell you that it ain't worth it. I've only had one run with Mr. Stocky, so far, a dang And dang, he is fast. I nearly met my end already, and I'm only 5 days in. Frank. Well, that just leaves... Oh my god. Okay, so let's, I guess, rest. Oh, you wait in the room. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, what is that? Oh, I guess I wasn't supposed to eat that because there's... I guess the red shows how empty my hunger meter is. Day has passed. Okay, so let's leave. Wait, couldn't I have just listened to it first? Ugh. Oh no. Oh, oh no, oh no, oh no. Elevator, elevator. Come on. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Come on, call the elevator. Door opens. Enter, of course. Oh god, it's still going. Oh god, it's still going. Let's go to, second floor. Okay, come on. Oh, that was creepy. Alright, come on. Okay, wait, what? Oh, get to a room. Oh, that's what I was supposed to do? Alright, 201. Crap, crap, crap. Oh, thank God. Oh. Whew. Oh, that was close. Oh my God, that was creepy. That was so creepy. Okay, of course, we got food. Listen at the door. I hear shuffling in the hall. Yeah, I am not leaving just yet here. I'm gonna eat. Okay, so let's rest. Yeah, just so we can wait. Okay, oh, we're already at day 2. Oh. Oh yeah, so every time we rest, I guess... Oh, we're day 3, alright. Yeah, I keep forgetting to check that. Let's see. There's a note here. It's been 5 days and nothing has happened. I've strolled casually through the halls and even sat down to a nice dinner at the restaurant with no problems. What the heck is going on here? Bethany. Well, Bethany, I don't know either because I went in here blind. Okay, so let's listen at the door. It is quiet outside the door. Okay, so we can leave. Leave the room. My phone's going off. Wait, let's try that. Oh, okay, we have 2. Oh, this does not look like a nice room either. At least the other ones had like a bed that's actually that we can actually sleep on. Ooh. Oh, we got a key. Oh, nice. Let's rest. Because every time we go into a room, I'm pretty sure we're supposed to rest. Oh, this is well made. This passed my expectations. And our hunger is going down fast. We need to find some food quick. Okay, so let's listen at the door. You're shuffling. Crap. Oh yeah, we can. Oh wait, we can rest again? Really? Can't we just stay in here then? Oh, that's right. Listen at the door. It's quiet outside. Okay, so we can leave. Oh, dang it. Oh wait. Oh, we can go to 203 now. The key card. Okay, yeah. Enter the room. Let's search. Oh, we got some food. Okay, so we can eat. I found some food. I ate it, and then let's rest. You wait in the room. Oh, this... Okay, hopefully we can get through this. Okay, so we're already on day 6. Okay, day has passed. Let's listen at the door. It's quiet outside. Okay, so we can leave. Okay, so let's go to the stairs. Private stairwell. Let's listen at the door. Stairwell. Stairwell appears to be silent. Let's enter. Ah! Oh. Why does it torture me with this? Wait, what? Why? Why does it have to be so loud? I barely have my volume up at all. Okay. Door lines the hall. This one. Ooh, okay. Let's search the room, but there's nothing. Crap. We're gonna... Wait, there's a note here. Day 11. Mr. Stocky keeps so much food down in the restaurant. I've been able to collect a small feast from there, but be careful. I think he has caught on to what I am doing and has started to keep a better eye on it. Good luck, Frank. Well, thank you, Frank. I like your enthusiasm in my survival chances. Okay, so let's listen at the door. It's quiet outside the door. Okay, so we can leave. Let's try to make our way down to the restaurant, maybe. But first, let's search this. Okay. Because we need some food. Oh, we got some food. Wow, just as I said it. Thank you, game. Thank you, game, for listening to my prayers. Okay, so there's a note here. This is stupid. I can't believe I agreed to this. I have no idea what I was thinking. It's only the second day, and I know I'm not going to make it. Well, oh, M. Okay, I guess it wasn't. Okay, so let's listen to the door. It's quiet outside. Okay, so I don't think the killer is on this floor, so I guess we can... Yeah, let's leave. Hopefully. Okay, so let's do room 4. Okay. Enter the room. Let's search. Okay, we got some food. I think I'm going to save that for when I actually need it. And let's rest. Here, I'll rest, and then I'll eat, and then I'll keep going. Because I need to get to day 21, right? Yeah, because it's 21 rooms. Well, I guess that doesn't make as much sense as I thought it was. But okay, a day has passed. Listen at the door. It's quiet outside. Okay, so let's eat and let's rest again. So one more time, and then I'm gonna try my chances outside. Probably the killer's probably gonna be right outside my door right now. It is quiet outside. Oh, okay. So I guess I can leave. Oh, it's so simple. No! Oh no. Stairs. Enter, of course. First floor. Get to a... Oh, wait, crap. I forgot I need to get to a room. Locked. Well, I'm dead. You know what? I'm dead. Oh, take my... Oh! Okay, yeah, enter. Second door. Or, second floor. Okay. Crap. Yes! Oh! Ha! Suck it. Okay. There's a note here. Day 7. I think I'm starting to get the hang of this. I've been trying to keep an eye on how Mr. Stocky moves through this hotel. I am starting to see a pattern. I'm not sure yet, so I'm not going to write it down. Well, you could have at least given me an idea, Frank. I mean, you've been so helpful in the last 2 notes. Why can't you help me now? It's day 7. I don't want anyone else trying to follow it and end up dead because of me. Oh, okay. Thank you, Frank. Okay. Let's search. Okay, we have some food. We need to eat. And we need a... Okay, let's listen at the door. You're shuffling in the hall. Crap. Okay, so I'm gonna have to rest because I need that killer to go away. Okay. So now let's listen at the door. It's quiet outside. Okay, so we can leave. Okay. So locked. Okay, so stairs. Okay, let's listen at the door. You hear an echo of footsteps. Well, let's not do that then, because I don't want to die. Elevator. That seems like a good choice. Oh, why? Okay. Whenever that goes. Okay, so let's go to the 3rd floor then. Killer's gonna show up. Come on. Oh, okay. So locked. Okay. Ooh. I'm always expecting like that loud music to just like come on and then okay. Search the room, but there's nothing. Well, screw you. I'm gonna have to leave. Hold on, let's listen at the door first. It is quiet outside, so we can leave. No! Oh god, okay, stairs. Wait, okay, yeah. Enter stairwell. Okay, 2nd floor. Stairs. Wait, no. Ah! Oh my god, why? I couldn't click it fast enough. Oh my god. And was that a cat at the end? Was that really a cat that was doing it all this time? Was the murderer a cat? Oh my god. Why do I do this to myself? For the thrill, of course, and the challenge. Because I'm Goku, I never really back down from a challenge. But anyway, that's gonna be it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want me to try this again in another episode, be sure to hit that like button down below, and if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And also in the comments, leave me any suggestions that you might have for future videos and everything like that. So I'll see you in the next one.